here, it's videotaping.
Alright.
Ready?
Ready. You going out there with him? Can I zoom in? This is Chris setting the tree on fire.
It's gonna stay lit. There's gonna be a patch in the yard.
It's alright. Who cares?
Oh, I thought you would.
I had a big patch there last summer from the oil. Nice match. Attempt number 1 failed.
I'm gonna be out here all night. I'm pushing this. You know this is gonna stay lit on fire forever.
Holy crap!
Okay.
Someone's gonna call that in.
You're fucked.
Told him to go up. I can feel the heat.
I can feel from here.
I want a picture of this.
Go over there. Go over there. Oh, it's going down already. I can't see you though. Get closer.
Look at that.
It is gone.
Already.
Alright, I got you.
Wow, look at the embers. Ain't that snowy. Isn't that wild? Look at the gallon.
There's like a blue light coming out of it.
I love this Christmas tree.
Well, it's history now.
Huh?
History now.
That is the most pathetic looking tree now.
It is.
Oh, at least you know decided to mix it.
That's why we filmed it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Are you still videotaping?
That was huge.
Yeah.
That was like what?
You should see it. It's got a blue light coming out of it.
That's God, Mom.
More gasoline?
No.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
There's Psycho Ellen.
What?
There's Psycho Chris. No more gas. Neighbor already drove by.
Oh, I see the blue right on the ground.
No more gas.
So much
Little
gas.
bit.
There's this
It's all gone.
right there. Come on, hurry up.
What blue?
Come here, you can see it.
What's blue?
Oh, what's there?
Chris.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, write a name or something.
No.
Why? Do a
No, I don't want to ruin my yard, thank you.
Come on, it's gonna be a cool design. Oh, do it again. Keep
Ellen.
going.
Oh!
What? Do it.
Dangerous!
Chris, come on. Shut up. Write my name. Write my name.
Isn't that cool?
Write my name.
So big Y.
Oh, alright. Oh, I'm running out. Oh,
Watch yourself.
We gotta do this more often.
No, I'll probably get the police here. Stop!
Why? I'm cold.
This is Pyro, Christopher. Stop, it's getting too close.
It's cool, huh? The blue?
It is glue.
Touch it.
I just got these up.
Make sure it's not on your foot. Alright,
My
put
foot lit on fire. That'd be a serious
Word out.
problem.
Thank God I didn't get more than a gallon of gas.
Who got it? You?
The gas? Yeah, I went up and got it earlier. That's
oh,
really
this
cool.
was fun. It's
That was
cold.
fun.
Come on.
Alright, how do you shut this off?
What's the blue, huh?
I got it.
The blue?
We should have
Yep.
Cool, huh?
written my name.
Right?
Yeah, I know. That would have been cool.
This is the end of the tree. One little... Wow, look how